Hello guys. Today we're back in TAU, TAU Tornado Alley Ultimate. Such a long time I haven't played this game, but we're back again. Yes, to the stadium map and Wild West and the hotel. Ah, I kind of grind on the survivals. As you can see, I have 6,334 survivals. Quite a bit, huh? Indeed. And I've now saved up 2.9 million coins. Oh, a skirmish. Actually, let's go there. But yeah, seem like what kind of updates are there in the game. And I hope it's gonna be fine. Yep, there we go, skirmish. We're gonna get our shelter key and Illumina. Where is it? Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. We got an axe. Yes, sir. Okay, let's go left. Go left. We need necessities such as swords. Yes, we got a sword. We got a sword. So now we're gonna check the basement. Hoping there will be something in this basement. We got an axe. Just a little axe. Nothing else. Oh, I want a sword. Hell no. I got a sword already. Combat will soon be legal. Oh, prepare to survive a tornado as well as other players. Whoa. Now that seems crazy. Wait, I see, oh, that's a shelter right there. Hmm, what is underneath it? This stadium? That's kind of weird and all kind of stuff. Like, oh, it's an EF2. EF2 tornado. I hope no one gets me on this spotlight, this floodlight. Otherwise, it's gonna be bad for us. So, is always getting this guy. Oh, no, 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 he's fine. Unless he doesn't see me. He's in the Bravo team. Oh, it nearly got him. It says he's joined the stairs and the seating stadium chairs. Oh my goodness, someone has slain Cathy. Oh my goodness. You see these people are dangerous? Yes. No one, I don't think anyone will die by this small EF2. Really? Oh my goodness. So, where's this Bravo team? Where's Bravo? Huh? No, 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 no. Oh, I see him. He's over there. Bravo team, like in Jason Bourne. Oh, it's coming back. Wait, oh my goodness. I got flunked and I got a head concussion. Go Blacksians! Not a good time to celebrate, but it's a good time that of surviving this tornado is coming this way. Oh my goodness. Jump on here and run. I don't think much people love this video about the twisty and foreclosed calls. So I'm gonna dispose the video and say that I am back again in this game. I forgot how to play this game. Kind of. And I forgot all the shelter keys and locations. Oh my goodness. This tornado has no choice. Is oh Bravo team's gonna die. Rest in peace. The Bravo team die? Ah, Bravo team. Ah, so sad. Just so sad to see you die. Imagine. Just kidding. No offense. No offense. Nice. Oh, so at the end? How? Well, you know what? Always all the Tornado LE videos, we have to do it in 3 game modes. So in the next game mode, Alright, we're in the second round of Tornado Alley Ultimate. And most people pick Alvista, so why not? Oh, we got Hurricane. We got a Hurricane. We're not gonna record that because Hurricane is too easy. Not much people are in the server right now. I was hoping I'm with some pros, but nope. No pros above me. Just some 6,000 guy. Oh, we got meteors. Ooh, we got double the amount of trouble. Yes, sir. Oh yeah, shelter key and a fire extinguisher. I see it because I have good eyes. There we go. We found the shelter key. We're now gonna get this fire extinguisher. Oh, but there's no fire. Oh no, no. Oh, what's going on here, game? What is this? Block in the middle? What are you doing? What? Okay. It's likely two tornadoes would occur. Two tornadoes, that would be pretty easy. Fire shuttle immediately. Fire back two tornadoes. Tornado. Let's survive a tornado. Oh, let's survive tornadoes. Ah, these street lights are not locked in place. As you can see, it falls easily. Step on them, it falls. Oh my good god! It's an EF2 and an EF1. Yeah, EF2 is very close to me. Oh, it's an EF0. What, you slim? Ah, so small. EF0. I would consider that EF2 greater than you. EF0. Like, look at you, how thin you are. Okay. Oh, 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 we're going. Let's go to this building. We are crazy devil. What? Um, extreme doers. Yes. So, in the hotel. I'm just gonna stay here. I'm not moving. Stay here and just look the tornadoes. That one's really close. This was just destroying the hotel. Oh, there's two people. Oh, oh. Okay, let's go back again to our spots. Yay! Right here. Oh, this tornado over here looks like it's gonna get me. Well, I don't think it's actually gonna get me. Now, why is it now? Oh, you flew me through there. You flew me through the. Oh my goodness. Destroying the bridge. Okay. I'm just gonna stay on top of the bridge. Since it's the highest and the safest spot. But you should not do this. It's quite deadly. 3, 2, 1. Yes! We're gonna jump down. Wow! Yes. Oh, look at this boat. This boat is dead. What is the? Oh, I'm pushing the boat. Oh, no. Yes. I'm pushing the boat. No, I'm pushing myself. Goodbye. Wait, no, not goodbye. Next round. Bonus extra time. This video is gonna be like almost 15 minutes long, but who cares? I just medias. Oh, meteors. We're talking about Yin Tai yet? Yin Tai? Yo, that's a new game name. Yin Tai. Oh, there's a pro. Name your unknown Minchi. Whoa. He has 35k survivals. I think he's inside the leaderboard. Nice. 8.1 million coins. Give it to me. Come on, give it to me. I'm gonna spend most of them on some useless items. And ew, Infinito sucks. Infinito for some newbies. Not me, because I'm just too pro. Stay from fire created by the Infinito. You can burn to death. Excuse me, I'm sleeping and your footsteps are so loud. Get out. Thank you. Well, I don't know if it's gonna spawn on me or not. I'm just gonna stay here until it comes to get me. And he's back again. I am sleeping, my man. R2D150? You like sound like a hacker. Oh, maybe. I don't see the tornado anywhere. Nope, it's not here. You're fine. Oh, I see it. Yes, you stand there and do not move a single leg whatsoever. Please. Whoa, 2 minutes? Okay. Um, hmm. Just your head that keeps moving. Oh my goodness! Ah! You get burnt! Oh! Oh my goodness! This came out of nowhere! Oh, I'm above the clouds! I can touch the moon now. Ah, I'm falling! Oh, my house! My house is burnt! No! It's burning! Fire extinguisher! Oh, ooh, my leg! Ow! 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 No! Where is where's this guy? Oh no! Oh! Oh, he's safe in there! Oh my goodness! Oh my, what's that television? No, my couch! It changed into this wooden plank! My TV is gone! Oh, my stove is gone! This, the roof is falling. Well, at least I still have a bedroom. Here is the bed. I can stay on this forever. Alright, I'm sleeping. I don't wanna see this Infernator no more. Come on. Sleep. And eat this pizza for the last time. Yum. Um Oh, someone's paralyzed. He's over in that direction. Oh no! Oh no! No! Oh, sleep, my man, sleep! Says by Jeff the Killer. Oh no! Oh, oh, yes, I can finally sleep. Sleep, my man, sleep, sleep. Oh, this woman. Ah! Ah, okay. Ah, sleep tight, sleep tight. Don't let a single tornado wake you up. That is actually really close, as you can see right there. It's just nearby me. Oh, it's gone. Oh, no! He's dead! No, he's paralyzed. Um, oh, oh, ooh, seesaw. Ah! Oh, no! Oh, no! Ah, it's pulling me in. I was like, no! Yes. Oh, look at my bed. My bed, oh, it's still thing. It's broken. My bed is broken. Thank you, game. You destroyed my bed. Let's push it off. Oh, I can't push it off no more. It's all broken. The house needs some repairs, as you can see. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you soon next time before the meteors get me. Goodbye.